Hi guys, Mimi G here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fabric haul. I'm going to try and remember where I got all of these fabrics. If you have a hard time finding fabric online or don't know where to shop online, on my website, mimigstyle.com, I do have a free download PDF that I created with all the fabric shops that I shop from online. It's a free download. I will link to it in the description box below for you guys. You might find it helpful. I'm going to start here. So these are from Lyrical Fabrics. They are sweater knits, and it's a Italian silk wool sweater knit, and they are gorgeous. So I got this colorway. Can you see the little speckles in it? It's just gorgeous. The weight is beautiful. It's not too heavy, but it has some weight to it. You can make like a lightweight cardigan. You can make a matching skirt, maybe a little set. That could be really cute. I got 3 yards of each. I got a second colorway in this chocolate brown. I am obsessed with brown. Anything brown, everything I've purchased, fabric, clothes, it's all brown, okay? So you're gonna see a lot of brown. I love this one, love the speckles in this one as well. It's beautiful. I got 3 yards of each because, like I said, I wasn't sure what I was gonna make with them, but they're fantastic. I will link to them if they're still online in the description box for you guys. Then I ordered from Blackbird Fabrics. You guys know I love Blackbird Fabrics. And when they were not shipping to the US, I was devastated, okay? But that they are now shipping to the US. And I have to say the tariffs wasn't terrible. It wasn't terrible. Okay, so the next ones are from Blackbird, like I said. And I got this gorgeous, what color is this? It's called spruce, but it's kind of like a dark teal, and it's their cotton fleece. I love this fabric. I used the brown colorway to make this set, and I love it. It's beautiful. The weight is gorgeous. I love this color, so I did get this color, and then of course I got the matching rib knit because I will probably make myself a second set of this. And I used the rib knit for the cuffs and the neckband. So I grabbed that. Then I also got this gorgeous candy stripe brushed cotton shirting, striped shirting, because I want to make a button-up, oversized button-up shirt, and of course it's brown, brown and white. So I got that. And then I also have, I think it's a butterick pattern actually. It's a coat pattern that I really want to make. Now I haven't decided if this is the exact coat that I'm gonna make or if I'm gonna pick a different coat pattern, but this is initially what I had in my mind. And so I bought this gorgeous heavyweight double-faced wool blend coating. It's a nutshell color. It's absolutely divine. When I tell you, this coating is beautiful. The weight of this, like this in a long, like maybe a double-breasted coat, I don't know, like I have visions, I have ideas, but it's really stunning. The color is fantastic. I also bought some lining for it. And this is, I think, a poly twill lining, a viscose poly twill lining. So I did get enough to make whatever length coat I wanted to make. And then also from Lyrical, actually, I thought that it might have been a different shop, but no, it's Lyrical. I got this lightweight chocolate brown knit because there's another butterick dress pattern that I want to make, and I don't remember what the pattern number is. If it pops up here, it's because I remembered and I put it there. But this is just, you know, a really beautiful, nice stretch recovery. And then I bought some lyocell twill because I need to make, who needs? I want to make another pair of our Sew It Academy pleated trousers. It's my favorite pants pattern. And I wanted to make it in this Surprise, another shade of brown. But this, with this coat and maybe, where is it? Where is it? This button up, like I have a whole vision in my head, you know, and this is one of my favorite fabrics to make trousers out of because the drape is insane. And then I also got another colorway of, let's see what it is. It is the Merlot cotton sweatshirt fleece. And I will probably make some other sweatsuit. I'm not sure if I'm going to use my own pattern or a different pattern, but I love the color, really into Merlot, that burgundy, that wine color right now. And so this is really great. And they also have the matching rib knit, which is always so important whenever you're buying like sweatshirt fleece or cotton fleece or cotton, whatever. Having matching rib knit is always great. So I appreciate the shops that carry them both and that you can buy them both at the same time as opposed to trying to match it somewhere. So listen, I have a lot that I can sew. I will see how much time I actually have to sew, but I am hoping to at least knock out maybe one of the cardigans in this beautiful fabric. And I definitely want to get started on my coat, which is probably what I will start with because it's getting cold out here, you guys. It's getting cold at night and I need a new coat. So all of my other coats that I have are gigantic on me right now. So I need a new coat and that color will just work with anything. So these are all the fabrics I got. I hope you enjoyed the fabric haul. Leave your comments below. I love you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.